Start by understanding SDLC or Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC is the complete process that guides how software is built, step by step from the first spark of an idea all the way to finished working product. It's not just about writing code, everyone is involved from developers and designers to testers and project managers. The main goal, to make sure the software is built properly, meets user needs, and is delivered on time with high quality. Think of SDLC as the roadmap for turning ideas into real, usable software. Primary goal of SDLC is to ensure that the software is not only functional but also reliable and delivered within the expected timeline. By following a structured process, teams can avoid common pitfalls, reduce errors, and make sure the final product truly solves the user's problem. This approach brings clarity and coordination to everyone involved, making the journey from idea to launch much smoother. First phase of SDLC is requirement gathering. This is where the team works closely with the client or customer to understand exactly what they want from the software. For example, imagine a client says, "I want a food delivery app where users can browse restaurants, place orders, and track delivery." This phase is all about listening, asking questions, and documenting every detail so nothing is missed later on. Next comes system design. Here, the team plans how the software will look and work. Designers create app screens while developers decide how to store data for users, orders, and restaurants. This phase is like creating blueprints for a building. Every detail is mapped out before any code is written, ensuring everyone knows what to build. With the design in place, it's time for development. This is where the actual coding happens. Developers build the front end, what users see, and the backend, which handles data and logic. For our food delivery app, this might mean using React for the front end and Node.js or Django for the backend. The goal is to turn plans into a working product. Once the app is built, it moves to the testing phase. Here, the QA team checks everything to find and fix bugs. They test if users can log in, place orders, and make payments without issues. This phase is crucial for catching problems before the app goes public, ensuring a smooth experience for users. After testing, it's time for deployment. This is when the app is released to the public, such as launching it on the Play Store or App Store. Deployment is a big milestone. It means the software is ready for real users and can start making an impact. Even after launch, the work isn't over. Maintenance is about fixing bugs that pop up and adding new features based on user feedback. For example, the team might add a track writer on map feature or fix payment issues. Maintenance keeps the app fresh and reliable over time. In short, SDLC is the entire journey of developing software, from the first idea to the final launch. It's a structured process that ensures nothing is left to chance and every step is handled with care. This approach helps teams deliver better software faster and more efficiently. Now let's talk about SDLC or Software Testing Lifecycle. SDLC focuses only on the testing part within SDLC. It defines how testing is planned, designed, executed, and wrapped up to make sure the product meets quality standards. The goal is to ensure the final software is bug-free, stable, and works as expected before it reaches customers. The main goal of SDLC is to catch bugs and issues before the software goes live. By following a clear testing process, teams can make sure the product is stable, reliable, and ready for users. This helps avoid surprises after launch and builds trust with customers. The first phase in SDLC is requirement analysis. Testers study the requirements to identify what needs to be tested. For example, they might read, "User should be able to log in and place orders." This step ensures that testing covers all the important features and nothing is missed. Next, test planning and test case design take place. The QA lead creates a testing strategy, selects tools like Selenium or Postman, and sets timelines. Detailed test cases are written, such as, when a user logs in with valid credentials, the home page should appear. This phase ensures testing is thorough and organized. After planning, the testing environment is set up. QA installs the app on test servers or sets up browsers. Then, test execution begins. Testers run the test cases and note the results. For example, they might test the add to cart feature and find that the quantity isn't updating correctly. If any bugs are found, testers log and track them. For example, they might report payment fails using Visa card. Once all tests are done, the process wraps up with test closure, reviewing everything and summarizing results in a final report. This ensures everyone knows what was tested and what needs fixing. What's the difference between SDLC and STLC? SDLC covers the entire software development process, while STLC focuses only on testing. SDLC involves developers, designers, and project managers and starts when the project begins. STLC involves testers and starts after requirements are ready. In short, SDLC builds the product, and STLC ensures it's bug-free and ready for user. Think of SDLC and STLC like making a car. SDLC is about designing, building, and assembling the car. STLC is about testing the brakes, lights, and safety features before handing it over to the customer. Both are essential. One builds the product, the other ensures it's safe and works perfectly. The key takeaway is that SDLC ensures the software is built correctly, while STLC ensures it works perfectly. Both go hand in hand. Without SDLC, there's no product. Without SDLC, there's no quality. Teams need both to deliver great software. In modern projects, testing starts earlier than ever. This is called shift-left testing. QA engineers get involved right from the start of SDLC, helping to find bugs sooner, save time, and reduce costs. This proactive approach leads to better software and happier users. To wrap up, SDLC is all about building the software while STLC is focused on testing it. Both are crucial for delivering high-quality products that users love. By understanding and following these life cycles, teams can create software that's both functional and reliable.